Bullying affects everyone: those who bully, those who get bullied, and bystanders of what happened. Let's look into some outcomes of bullying. Those who bully are more likely to drop out of school early, constantly get into fights, and vandalize property. They are more likely to abuse alcohol and other drugs, engage in sexual activity early on, as well as be abusive toward family members and close friends. A person who goes through bullying is more likely to experience depression and other health issues, such as eating disorders or self-harming, feel sad and lonely often, or change their sleep and meal patterns. They are also more likely to do poorly to attend and perform in school, as well as lose interest in activities they used to enjoy doing. Although it's arguable that bullying causes suicide and those who get bullied are at risk of committing suicide, bullying alone doesn't cause such violent behavior towards oneself. However, the combination of bullying and other issues, such as depression and family problems, may cause a victim of bullying to commit suicide. Now, bystanders of bullying may have increased health issues as well as the use of drugs. They may also tend to miss or skip school.